For a long time, there have been speculations, as well as receipts, proving that Amber Heard mistreated her sister, Whitney Henriquez. But did Whitney finally reveal that she is cutting ties with her sister? So it was reported that Amber and Whitney filmed each other at TJ Maxx to make it look like they were being photographed by the paparazzi, and fans mocked them with comments like, "Amber and Whitney filming each other at TJ Maxx. Making it look like they're being popped is pathetic." And another person wrote, "LOL, goddamn. Amber Heard really thinks she has the whole world fooled. Heard filmed Whitney and vice versa, hence there being no footage of them together. You can actually see her white baggy shirt." Well, one thing fans also said is that they are looking forward to the day when Whitney will finally call out her sister for who she is, considering the number of people who have provided receipts of why she should do so. Like, one of the people who strongly agreed that Whitney should cut ties with Amber is Jennifer Howell. During her testimony, Jennifer said,
"Ms. Howell, when did you first meet Amber Heard?"
At the Pineapple Express premiere is where I met she and her sister Whitney.
Do you remember approximately what year that was?
I believe it was around 2008. And so I met she and her sister at the, to be specific, at the after party of the premiere.
What year did Ms. Henriquez begin working with Art of Elysium?
I believe it was in 2014. I don't have those documents right in front of me.
And what was Ms. Henriquez's position at Art of Elysium?
Art salon manager, director.
Does Ms. Henriquez still work for Art of Elysium?
No.
When did that end?
2015, I believe.
About Amber mistreating Whitney, Jennifer said that she knew that Whitney only testified to protect Amber, adding,
"I've struggled very much with what to do in a situation that I love someone who I know is doing something very wrong, and I know that they're doing it because they're trying to protect their sister, and I'm trying to protect her. And I'm just trying to get her to wake up and do the right thing, which is tell the truth. It's the only thing that can help everybody involved in this case."
Remember, Jennifer had previously written in a declaration for the UK trial that Whitney had told her that she suffered alleged physical and psychological harm from Amber. And Whitney also told her that Amber attacked her and threw a glass of red wine at her during their time in New York, possibly during their Tribeca Festival or the Adderall Diaries premiere. Speaking of the UK trial, that is also where more receipts came up about how Amber treated Whitney. In Johnny's libel action against the publisher of the Sun newspaper, his attorneys played a video in court taken from a reality TV show recording from 2006 or 2007. And in the clip, there was evidence that Amber was completely cruel to her sister. The clip in question showed Whitney in the company of a group of friends.
"Did you get in a fight or something?"
Oh, thank you. Got into an altercation.
Oh.
I already talked about it. I don't want to talk about it anymore.
I can't believe Amber beat your ass. I know you could beat her ass.
We're not going to talk about that.
Whitney, truth or dare? Okay, did you really start the fight with your sister, or did she start it? For real, for real, for real.
And after noticing that Whitney had marks, the friend then appeared to inspect her face and arm while saying,
We're not going to talk about that.
She really did whoop your butt.
Oh, we're not talking about it.
Yeah, I'm done. I guess I'm done talking about it.
Notice that Whitney specifically said, "We're not going to talk about it." She did not deny that her sister Amber was the one responsible for the bruises. During the trial, Johnny Depp also sort of suggested that Whitney should cut ties with her sister.
It was a kind of a strange combination of loving sister, trusted sister and friend, and then lackey, and then, either the punching bag or the dartboard, or the recipient of some rather demeaning and ugly words, or she would have wine thrown in her face.
There was also an email Jennifer wrote to Whitney in which she pleaded with Whitney to tell the truth. In the letter, Jennifer wrote, "The reason this letter is so important to me is that you, my chosen sister, are so important to me, and I am hoping that the truth will set you free." In the letter, Jennifer also wrote about everything Whitney told her about Amber, and while referring to Amber, she added, "If anyone would ever put you in a position of risk, they do not love you." Well, even with people saying and proving why Whitney should cut all ties with Amber, Whitney still took to Instagram to write after the verdict, "I still stand with you, sissy. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow, I will always be proud of you for standing up for yourself, for testifying both here in Virginia and in the UK, and for being the voice of so many who can't speak to the things that happen behind closed doors." She then went on to reveal that she sensed the odds were not in her sister's favor, adding, "We knew that this was going to be an uphill battle, and that the cards were stacked against us. But you stood up and spoke out regardless. I am so honored to testify for you, and I would do it 1,000,000 times over, because I know what I saw, and because the truth is forever on your side." Will Whitney ever admit that her sister was cruel to her? Only time will tell. And as we wait for that historic day, check out this next video.